Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of repairing your company data in TallyPrime Release 3.0. You will also get to know the changes in the data repair experience introduced in the release. TallyPrime Release 3.0 provides an enhanced and simpler data repair experience. You can track the progress of repair, view a repair summary report to know the statistics related to transactions and masters, and resolve exceptions, if any. First, let us see how to repair your company data in TallyPrime Release 3.0. Open TallyPrime. As you can see, the companies are listed and you can easily identify the companies that require repair. The 5-digit companies are compatible with TallyPrime Release 2.1 and earlier. You first need to migrate these companies to TallyPrime Release 3.0. You can watch our video how to migrate company data to TallyPrime Release 3.0. If there is a need for data repair, then it happens during migration of such companies. Moreover, it is important to note that you cannot repair a 6-digit company in TallyPrime Release 2.1 or earlier releases, as those are not compatible to earlier releases. Now, let's select this 6-digit company and press Enter. We recommend you to take backup before repairing. As you can see, TallyPrime shows the progress of repair right from the repair of masters to transactions. Once the repair is completed, you get to view a repair summary report. You can see if the repair is successful. Press Alt plus F5 to view the detailed report. And then, you can compare the number of masters and transactions before and after repair. Press Escape and seamlessly continue to use the company to record your business transactions. Now, let us see how it works when there are some exceptions during repair. Select the company and repair it. If the drive in your computer does not have enough free space, then you will not be able to take the backup and TallyPrime shows an error. However, you can update the folder path as the path in a drive that has enough free space. Or you can set backup company data before repair as no. TallyPrime allows repair and backup only if there is enough free space in your computer. Now, click Repair. As you can see, the company is repaired with a few exceptions and the repair summary report opens with a detailed view. This report opens in a detailed view so that you can view the number of exceptions that occurred in each master and voucher type. Press Alt plus X or click Repair or Migrate Exceptions to view the exceptions and resolve as needed. You can view our video how to resolve exceptions during import, repair, migration, and synchronization in TallyPrime to know how to resolve exceptions. Let us see what happens when TallyPrime is shut during repair. TallyPrime Release 3.0 ensures that you can continue repairing company data even if TallyPrime is shut during the process. In such cases, open TallyPrime again. You can see Continue Repair against the company. Press Enter on the company. There is a prompt that asks Continue Repair. Press Y or click Yes. In a multi-user environment, it may also be possible that you try to repair a company whose repair is under progress on some other computer. In such cases, you will view a status Repair in Progress against the company. If you press Enter, then you will get the message that you can see on the screen. As you saw, repairing data in TallyPrime Release 3.0 is very simple. Moreover, the facility to view the repair progress and the summary report keep you abreast of everything you should know about repair of a company data and the associated updates that happen during the process. And you can always resolve exceptions if any. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.